Good afternoon. Welcome to day 398 here at the EMA office. I'm joined with Chairman Kern today, and we will get right into the numbers. For St. Clair County, they've tested 326,486. That's an increase of 1,293 since yesterday. Positive test results are 29,887, which is an increase of 34 since yesterday, and those are males and females under the age of 10 up to their 80s. And that brings our daily county positivity rate to 2.6%. For negative tests, we're at 296,599, and we are happy that we are adding no new additional deaths today, so the St. Clair County death total related to COVID-19 remains at 474. For those that have completed their IDPH required 10-day isolation period, we're at 29,053. For state totals, they've tested 21,477,421. Positive test results are 1,292,515, which is an increase of 3,581 since yesterday. Sadly, the state did announce 40 new COVID-related deaths, bringing the statewide death total to 21,609. For hospitalization numbers, those hospitalized in St. Clair County hospitals, we have 26 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, and one of those patients is on a ventilator. Regionally, there are 42 patients admitted due to COVID-related illness, with one patient on a ventilator. For our congregate living facilities, we'll only announce the changes, and these are cumulative numbers. Bradford Place in Swansea has 14 cases and no deaths, and that's an increase of one case. As we talk about every day, testing is still so vitally important. Testing is available Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday at St. Clair Square from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. and also available at various pharmacies and medical express facilities throughout the county. So very important to know your status and get tested if you feel you've been exposed or if you're displaying any symptoms. I'll now turn it over to Chairman Kern for his update.
Thanks, Brian. Okay, let's take a look at the zip codes today. In 62204, we go down one. That's a good way to start, to 404. 62205 is up one to 655. 62206 up 3 to 1,347. 62207 up 1 to 602. 62208 is up 1 to 1,685. 62221 up 6 to 2,857. 62223 up 4 to 1,812. 62225 up 1 to 147. 62226 up 7 to 3,279. 62239 up 1 to 490. 62240 up 3 to 174. 62257 up 1 to 357. 62258 up 2 to 1,085. 62264 up 1 to 373. 62269 up 3 to 3,354. And 62285 up 1 to 594. 34 new positives in the county today. 1,293 people got tested. That brings our county positivity down to 2.6%, which then, when computed with the 7-day St. Clair County rolling average, keeps us the same at 3.8%. Regional positivity also stayed the same today at 3.5%, and that's because Bond County calls in at 1.3%, Clinton at 1.5%, Madison County 3.3%, Monroe County 1.1%, Randolph County 0.4%, St. Clair is at 2.7% today, and Washington County is at 1.5%. So we're vaccinating with Pfizer at the fairgrounds.
Where Pfizer's open, fairgrounds are open, vaccinating with Pfizer. Also 330 West Main vaccinating with Pfizer. Some of our hospital partners had clinics today as well. The most important thing we can do right now is get those needles in arms. We have appointments open every day. We're open the fairgrounds every day but Wednesday. People can go on the county website, sign up for an appointment, but also daily, 9 to 5. They're accepting people that just show up at the fairgrounds. They'll register them on site and get them in, because the staff working there knows how important it is. As we're seeing these variant increases throughout the country, we saw our first few cases of the variant here in St. Clair County the other day. Dr. Bodeman, who's been with us numerous times, was on the news last night talking about concerns if this variant continues to spread. And he said you still have to wear your mask, wash your hands, watch your distance, but most importantly, get that vaccine.
And on the news today, I heard Dr. Fauci say that the vaccines are highly effective against this UK variant that we've seen in the county. So, Team St. Clair, if you know people who haven't been vaccinated, encourage them to research. If there's a reason why they haven't, maybe they can get that question answered. But getting to the fairgrounds and getting that shot is really key to ending this pandemic. So we encourage everyone to get there, get vaccinated, and we can get back to normal.
Yeah, it's definitely the one tool now that every member of our community can control. We're seeing our numbers of cases in the younger populations, and those teens and single-digit age that can't get the vaccine yet at this point, but there's still a lot in the late teens, 20s, 30s, and even the 40s that are definitely eligible at this point. Anybody 16 or older, you just have to live, work, or go to school here in Illinois can get there and get the vaccine. You can still go get it this afternoon if you wanted.
When we started out, it was the biggest majority of people were above 50 that contracted COVID. Now it's the polar opposite. Now we're seeing the much younger population is the one that's contracting this virus. Everybody's eligible. If you're above 16, you can get Pfizer. So we encourage you to get there. There were 8 teenagers today, 1 person under the age of 10, 8 people in their 20s, and then 6 in their 30s, 4 in their 40s, and 3 in their 50s. So those are the vast majority of people now that are contracting COVID. So you can stop it. You can get this vaccine, get it in your arm, and in about a month's time, you've got immunity.
Definitely something that's so vitally important to helping us continue to move forward. We're seeing a little rise in the hospitalizations. We did see some increases in positivity last week, and that's not to be expected. We just need to make sure we turn that around and continue to move this down. We're not going to take these numbers to zero immediately. That's just not expected, but we do need to continue trending downward. The rest of the state, specifically the northern part of the state, are seeing some increases. We've reached that threshold to move into the bridge phase as far as having, a certain population of our 65 and older there. But because statewide we still have some increases in hospitalizations, increases in positivity, we just got to make sure that we focus. So we're going to be here with you each day, bringing you the information, reminding you of the latest facts and figures that we find out. We will be back here shortly with Cindy to translate this into our Spanish communities, and we'll be back with you tomorrow for day 399. Thanks for joining us.
I was born and raised in East St. Louis, St. Clair County, City of Champion. We band together like family on picket where the Mayor Brown Center in Lincoln Park was my playground. Just as we were together then, we must all band together now and work to combat COVID-19. As an Olympian, I understand the importance of teamwork and overcoming hardship. So I plead with you to do what I'm doing to fight this virus. Wash your hands, wear your mask, watch your social distance. It takes teamwork, and if we stick together, we will victoriously cross the finish line.